This is town of Tinit.
But yeah, we have to respect photography in this. Where the docks are here in the harbor, and it shows a nice layout of town. So we're right here up at the grocery store now. But yeah, you might want to get a picture of this to help inform you when you look back later or as you walk around.
Where's the cemetery? Look at how big that one is. That's a big boy. I mean, that is a big iceberg. That's going to make it all the way. That's going to get all the way to Western Greenland and all the way up to Canada. I can see it now.
Well, I think it's going to make it all the way north into the Davis Strait and then south, and it'll end up in Newfoundland.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's exactly what it'll have to do.
Next time. Wow, look at these paintings and drawings.
This is a school here.
This
A school.
is so
Yeah,
cute.
paintings that they have up there.
Really good. I gotta take
Very
a picture
nice.
of that.
And then over here, got a b-ball court. Small one for the small kids, I guess. And you got, look at all those icebergs out there and growlers and whatever. Way out there. Wow. It's really something. Yeah, this is up at the school here. And I see all the different paintings up there.
There.
This town of Tinit, the view that they have from here, you hear the dogs in the background barking. But here it is. There's a helicopter in the distance too. I'm currently here with the mayor of the town, and I'm so good to meet him. We're going to shake hands here with the mayor, and we're like good friends here. All right, all right. We're good, we're good, we're good. Okay, very good.
He says it is very good for the
Economy.
for few people here,
Yeah.
especially the shop down here.
Yeah.
But he said about this no more who's making more genetic things,
Yeah.
photos or
Yeah.
other things.
Yeah.
Who got all the awards up there, and what are they for?
But going here for garden town.
Wow.
His own
Kamutsutama.
dog sledding.
Dogs.
Oh,
Three dogs.
oh yeah, I see the dog on
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
The other one looks like baseball or something down there.
It two,
Okay.
three. Quite.
He was very good sled dogging
Yeah.
in his time.
Ja, men der linje der til med på.
He has never no more dogs.
No more dogs. Sticker.
Oh, right. Oh, regularly.
And then the end, yeah.
Are there many dogs in town for the people to use for dog sledding?
Not me. Kan you
Kemidori på men sigidamma edorudara sortagimu igachettula qamutsikkuunna tamata ulippu itsamitasiida ama parnagaini tamat kun that the heat of momentum that of winter. The doing now, but not to read them.
As you can see, there's not so many dogs anymore here in the village. Only a few ones. That time the ceremony is comes ice on it. Can't get them chicky.
Come on, you chicken your food, at Michigan, Michigan.
Since 97, there has been ice in Semlik. So after that, using around here to the heat up or the other ways.
Yeah. So since
Everything in the house. Getting ice from getting and smelling it, washing with the hands, cleaning and repairing skin from seals, drying. The questions about people once, he always tried to work with it, but he never clears up.
Very good.
Oh,
Very
very
good.
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 Yeah, very good.
So they always need him. That's it.
That's good.
That's good. How much has the weather changed since 1945 here?
Kan jo over 1945.